welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's Walgreens video. I'm going to pick up 3 of the Walgreens storage bags on sale for $2.79, and when you buy one, you get 2 free. I'll pick up 3. My total for this transaction was $3.01. I redeemed $3 Walgreen cash and I paid just 1 cent out of pocket. For my next transaction, I will use a spend booster or spend 27 get $5 Walgreen cash, and the first deal I'll add will be on the Gillette Venus deal. They're on the deal of spend 15 get $5 register reward, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. And the first item I'll pick up will be the Venus Spray Shave, priced at $11.49. To complete this deal, I'm going to pick up the Venus Simply Disposable Razor, priced at $8.79, and that will be the half off, and the price will be $4.39. These two will total $15.88. We have a $3 digital coupon for the pre-shave and another $3 for the razor. Both coupons will drop it down to $9.88, and I'll get $5 back, making both just $4.88 or $2.44 each. My next deal is on Palmolive dish soap. They're on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 register reward. You can pick up Ajax if your store have it, but mine only carry Palmolive. Picking up 2 will total $5.98, and we have a $1 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $4.98, and I'll get $2 register reward, making it just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is on Colgate products. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 register reward back. Some are on sale for $4, so see if you can find those, because that will be cheaper. I'll pick up one of the toothbrush. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the Colgate Max Fresh on sale for $4. Both will total me $8. We have a $2 coupon for the toothbrush, and we also have a $2 coupon for the toothpaste. That will drop it down to $4, and I'll get 3 back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. This is everything I'll pick up using my spend booster, and the total for everything here is $29.86. All the coupons I mentioned earlier on total $11. That will drop it down to $18.86, and I plan on using some of my previously earned register reward to help lower my out-of-pocket. Let's go over my receipts and see how everything worked out. All my digital coupons applied, and I used $18 in register reward to help with this transaction. Paid just 86 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $3 register reward for doing the Colgate deal. I did not get the $5 for the Gillette or the $2 for the Palmolive, but I got back the $5 Walgreen cash for spending $27. The manager was kind enough to give me $7 Walgreen cash in place of the register reward I'm missing. This concludes my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time.